Hey guys, I'm here in Mandalay and I'm at Yedagon Town Road, and there's a lot of rice field, on each side of the roads, and it's really beautiful. But mainly here they sell palm wine. I don't know where they get the the palm wine, because I don't see any palm tree around here. But it's very popular here. There's a lot of restaurants and bars, just on the side of the roads. I'm here for the view of the mountain and the rice field. I'm not really a fan of the palm wine, so yeah, I just going to eat. It's also popular roasted chicken, so I'm just gonna enjoy the roasted chicken and enjoy the view. Tí không biết về chỗ mẹ nè. Rồi
Lý đồng là đại cả quả tự đó là điều gì vậy?
Hầu là Đâu mà lấy đi à? Nhíp vào đây đó quá. Mimi. Không là. Bé à mía đi. Camera đuôi này bé à mía đi. Camera đuôi này bé à mía đi.
Chào mà gì đấy.
Làm mà chào mình nè, mà cô ra coi nè, chấm gì nữa.
Ê, là gì?
Cho một cái kìa. Nào à.
Hey guys, what is up? So for the past few days I haven't been doing much. You know, I'm just spending time with my family, my relative, and this small little girl, my cousin's sister. So yeah, taking care of them, sending them to the playground and stuff like that. So, but I did travel to the most beautiful places in Mandalay for me, and I did get some sick drone footage. So yeah, so this video is gonna be a very short one. I'll try to put some vlogs about those places, and yeah, I will just end off the video over here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another vlog. Bye. Vô lại bọn bye bye luôn. Bye bye.